A light bone shoe during the winter. Really?
Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby.
Yes, sir.
That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from January 19th to the 25th. Want to start us off, my brother?
So on January the 22nd, we do have the Air Jordan 5, and they are a women pair of shoes. So the price point for these Jordan 5s are $200. I'm hearing different names for this shoe. You got the golden ticket. You got the earth, metallic gold, right? It looked like everybody just finding what fits for this shoe. Why not just call it the Charlie Chocolate Factory shoe, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it's inspired from that movie there, right? The Charlie Chocolate Factory, right? But this is a bold re-imaging of this shoe. The shoe itself is really telling the story and is bringing some luxury with it. What I really love with this shoe, what stands out to me is that metallic gold tongue, how they incorporated that tongue, and then the eye-catching, chocolate brown midsole, right? And then I like how they incorporated that the upper leather with the sale of the upper leather. I really like in this shoe. It's a clean shoe. I'm all about the outfits with this shoe. This shoe to me, it seems a little busy, with how they incorporated an MJ, 2-3 on the side of the shoe. That's a little bit different. I'm looking how they kept the Jumpman, on the shoe. But overall, it's a nice shoe. I will be dropping this shoe because the shoe itself just looked too busy. I can see this shoe really sitting because of that price point. So that's why I'll be dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I will be rocking these only because we don't normally get the 23s on these Jordan 5s. So to have this, I think you might want to consider this in your collection. Unfortunately, this is a women's shoe. I don't know if these are going to be going to extended sizes, but we wish you the best. If you wear small feet, you have to be competing against the women to get these, but hopefully the Bigfoot people that will go extended sizes, we don't know.
Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir. So these look like they have been dropped before. So if you don't know, in 2016, there was another pair that looked similar to these. It was a men's pair. These came in pretty much the same colorway, but they were called the Olympics. The major difference is they didn't have the 23 on the side, and then instead of having that brown, they came with black. I do think that pair is much better looking. However, this shoe does have a little bit more to offer, being that it does have that 23. Like I said, we don't normally see the 23 on the side. I'm not sure why this particular colorway received the 23 because it's not an OG colorway. But you can correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, sneakerheads. But I will be rocking these. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on January 23rd, we do have a Jordan 11 low. This is a men's pair of shoes. This does come at a higher price point of $210. I'm not sure why. These are called the Year of the Snakes. So I thought most of the Year of the snakeskin shoes did do well, but most of them were female shoes. So I'm really shocked that these are a men's pair of shoes. However, I don't really like these shoes at all. It's just really simple. It just has a basically white colorway and does have that snake pattern where the patent leather normally is. I'm not really a fan of the snake skin, and like my brother said, I do see these being hard to rock, but they are in a gray, which I do like gray, but I still just don't like that snake skin. But looking at the bottom of the shoe, we do see those gray pods. The bottom does come with white laces as you look at the tongue. And again, it does have that snake skin where the patent leather is supposed to be. And then also, most people don't like the lows, to be honest with you, but I do rock the lows. However, with that expensive $210 price tag, we'll be dropping these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? The lows, 210, really? Let's put some thought behind that, Jordan Brand. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you feel like that price point, 210, is just outrageous. I will be dropping them as well. I'll be dropping them as well. I'm not a fan of the lows, right? But that price point drives me even more in that direction to drop them. So drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on January the 23rd, Jordan Brand will be dropping them Air Jordan 5, the year of the snake. This is a women's pair of shoes. Price point for those is going for $200. Come on, Jordan Brand. Got to put some thought behind what we're doing with these price points. And then you're dropping a light bone color shoe during the winter. A light bone shoe during the winter, really? And then your price point of $200. I guess you do want these shoes to sit. The shoe is clean. I mean, it's a clean. I just think the season of when they dropping it during the winter really don't make any sense, right? Don't make any sense. But this is a clean shoe. I like how they incorporated the peach lace lock. You know, that's different, right? This does stand out to be a female pair of shoe, but it's just the timing. I don't really agree with the timing. Ain't really too much to say about the shoe. It's clean. It's a clean shoe, like I mentioned. Peach lace lock stands out. And then what I really like with how they incorporated that snake skin pattern on the tongue. You know, you got to take a real good look at it, because I had to look at the shoe several times to see if I can see that snake skin pattern. But it's there, right? If you get a closer look and look at it. But it's a nice, clean shoe. I will be rocking them for the simple fact because it's just a clean female shoe. But the price point I don't agree with. It's just the timing of releasing that shoe I don't agree with. What about you, my brother?
So we'll be dropping these. Unfortunately, these look like an Easter shoe to me, because you see it on the side. Kind of looks like a rainbow color. And this is just a white plain shoe. I really don't, there's no appeal to me. But again, this is just my opinion. I understand that this is a women's shoe. So if there are any females out there, let me know down in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these? But maybe if they put some type of pastel laces in there to make them shoe pop, it may give this shoe a little bit more character. But right now, I'm not really feeling this, so therefore, I'm dropping these. So moving on to the last pair of shoes is coming out on January 25th. This is the Jordan 6 Lenberg pair of $200. This is like a female pair of shoes. And just so you know, this is actually going to be a collection. However, we should be going over the Jordan 6, but just to let you know, they are having the Air Max DN, the Air Max Sonder, Sabrina 2, the Air Max 80, and the Air Pegasus 41. These will all be releasing on the same day, January 25th, with different price tags. But one we're going to go in detail on here with is the Air Jordan 6. This will come at a price point of $200. Now, this does have a, these are made by children, so they do have a lot more detail than normal. I do like this pastel color for Easter. I can see a female rocking these for Easter. It does have some branding and stitching. It says "Give Life," and you are getting 4 sets of laces. You look at the side of the shoe, we do have some special, looks like perforated holes instead of being the normal Jordan brand. We do see hearts on the side. Overall, this is made up of, predominant shoe is white and it has light pink, light blue, soft green, and some color palette that makes it like the Easter colorway. And it does, what I like the most about this, it does come with the color laces. We do see that one shoe is pink and the other shoe is light blue. It can also look like you're having a baby, whether you're having a boy or a girl. Pick which shoe, either pink or the blue. But I think overall you can do a lot with this shoe, especially if you rock pastels. Therefore, I will be rocking these, even though I do see this shoe sitting because Jordan 6s don't do well in that expensive price point of $200. I don't know if that's going to fly, but they normally sell out, but we can never tell which one's going to be the hottest model. So we wish you the best of luck if you're trying to go for these. So what do you think about these, my brother?
I'll be rocking them as well, just because we Jordan Brand got the babies involved with this shoe, right? The kiddos. So I will be rocking those. And I really like how this shoe incorporated cursive writing. They don't even teach cursive writing anymore in school. So I like how they incorporated the cursive writing on the toe of the shoe. So I really like that. That price point is a little steep, but overall, I really like what Jordan Brand doing here, getting the babies or the kiddos involved with this. So I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.